Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to install WSL2 on Windows 11. So let's start. Go to Windows Features. And check for the two checkboxes. The first one is Windows Subsystem for Linux and second one is the virtual machine platform. These two should be checked. Click on OK. Ideally you need a restart, but since these two were already enabled, so we will directly go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Ubuntu. Okay, so let's install this one. It should be a stable release. For doing all these activities, you should have the admin rights, so make sure you have the proper administrator rights on the laptop on which you're doing all these operations. So here also if you run this command, it says the latest version is 20.4 LTS. So let's wait for some more time till it gets downloaded. Run this command app install WSL once your Ubuntu gets installed. So make sure you are admin right, else you have to put sudo apt install WSL. Okay, so it seems that Windows subsystem for Linux has been installed. Let's run a few of the commands to see. To check the version of WSL2, just open the PowerShell and type WSL-L-V, and you can see that the Ubuntu is already there. It's a version 2. State is currently stopped.